Hi, I'm Isa Baksa. Welcome to Isang Manunulat Shorts. Today's topic is freelancing for you, part 10. We have reached the last part of this series. The last question to gauge if freelancing is for you is, do you live paycheck to paycheck or do you have savings for the rainy days? A. My bank account fills up and empties every month. B. I have enough savings to last at least a month even without a paycheck. While many creative professionals struggle with finances, a smart freelance writer prepares for uncertain times. Experts recommend having at least 3 to 6 months worth of savings before diving into freelancing. Don't worry if you answered A. It means you have more opportunities for improvement. Think of it as a challenge that you could address and overcome gradually. So, are you ready to take the leap? Visit isangmanunulat.com and read the full blog post. Thanks for watching.